Hello and welcome to this latest Flying Lecturer flight vlog. This is a murky trip around the Lake District from a few weeks ago and was one of those days when people on the ground will tell you that it's a lovely day for flying, but you really know in your heart of hearts that it won't be. Still, with the aircraft booked and the weather still strictly within visual meteorological conditions, it would have been rude not to. What this flight did do for me was to reinforce the importance of getting an air traffic service when you can and to not be afraid of radio work. The second aircraft headed off to the lake shortly after I did, and it was really helpful for both of us to talk to London Information. Using reasonably regular position updates, we were able to ensure that we stayed clear of each other in reasonably challenging visibility. Do enjoy the flight.
Romeo Lima, runway 10, clear to take off, surface wind 090 degrees, 13 knots.
Clear takeoff, 10, Golf, Romeo Lima. Hey, 10. Gentle application of full power. P's and P's are in the green. Airspeed indicator active. 60 knots. Into the air. Let's keep those down for 80. There's 80 into the climb. There's 80. Feet, flaps are up, engine is at full power, altimeter is increasing, so let's trim for 80. Oh, it's murky. A Blackpool approach, Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, request frequency change, London Information, 125475.
Golf Romeo Lima, Squawk Conspiracy, free call London, speak to you after.
Squawk Conspiracy, speak to you later, Golf Romeo Lima. London Information, Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, London Information, good morning, pass your message.
Good morning, Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, PA28, departed Blackpool, destination Blackpool, for a trip around the Lake District, Milnthorpe, Ambleside, Keswick. Currently 3,500 feet, 1014, 2 nautical miles north of Garstang Marina VRP, request basic service.
Golf Romeo Lima, Roger, Squawk 1177, mode Charlie, basic service, and the Holyhead QNH 1009.
Squawk 1177 with mode Charlie, roger the basic service, QNH 1009, Golf Romeo Lima. Port and crag out to the left.
London Information, good morning. Golf Bravo November Oscar Juliet, PA28 requesting basic service.
Golf Bravo November Oscar Juliet, London Information, good morning, pass your message.
Golf Bravo November Oscar Juliet is a PA28, 2 POB, Blackpool to Blackpool, currently 2 miles to the north of Fleetwood at 3,500 feet in the climb. We'll be routing via Ulverston and Windermere, request basic service, Golf Bravo November Oscar Juliet.
Romeo Lima, London information.
London information, Golf Romeo Lima. Pass your message.
Golf Romeo Lima, are you aware of Golf Oscar Juliet that left Blackpool sort of following behind you, I believe?
I heard the transmission. I think he might be going the opposite way around. I think I'm going anti-clockwise. He might be going clockwise. I'll keep it a good lookout though.
Golf Oscar Juliet, correction, Golf Romeo Lima, Roger, and it was just sort of, even when you turn round to go back to Blackpool, I think he was behind, but obviously not sure.
Roger, I'll keep a good lookout, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Oscar Juliet, are you aware of Golf Romeo Lima?
If I'm now, and for information, we've just overhead Ulverston at 3,900 feet, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Golf Oscar Juliet, thank you.
And Golf Romeo Lima, it's about 5 miles south of Coniston, 5,100 feet, Golf Romeo.
Golf Romeo Lima, Roger.
And Golf Romeo Lima, correction, sorry, that's 5 nautical miles north of Ambleside, not Coniston, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, Roger.
Golf Oscar Juliet is overhead Windermere now, 3,500 feet, and we're reaching now towards Lancaster.
Golf Oscar Juliet, Roger.
Golf Romeo Lima is 6 nautical miles south of Keswick. I'll be turning south towards Ulverston shortly. I think we're well clear.
Golf Romeo Lima, sorry, I was just on the landline, say again.
Just responding to Oscar Juliet, I'm now 7 nautical miles south of Keswick, shortly turning south towards Ulverston, so I think we're well clear of each other. Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, thank you. Golf Romeo Lima and Golf Oscar Juliet, you probably know that there's parachuting at Cochrane.
That's copy, thanks, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Hey, home, Golf Romeo Lima. Just a gentle cruise descent now over the bay, just trying to make sure we keep at least the ability to reach land if it all goes quiet. And London information, Golf Romeo Lima now 8 nautical miles north of Fleetwood Golf Course, BRP, request frequency change, Blackpool approach 119.950.
Golf Romeo Lima, Roger, escort conspicuity, bye-bye.
Escort conspicuity, thanks for the service, Golf Romeo Lima.
Bye-bye.
And Blackpool approach, Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, Blackpool approach, hello again, information echo QNH 1014.
Information Echo 1014, Golf Romeo Lima. Request rejoin instructions.
Golf Romeo Lima, Squawk 0450 and report your position.
Squawk 0450, currently 6 nautical miles north of Fleetwood, currently descending through 3,700 feet on 1014, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, Roger, next report at Fleetwood.
Next report, Fleetwood, Golf Romeo Lima.
Blackpool approach, hello again, Golf Bravo November, Oscar Juliet, 2 miles east of Garstang, 2,700 feet, request join.
And Golf Romeo Lima is at Fleetwood, 2,000 feet.
Golf Romeo Romeo Lima, roger, for your next report passing west of the tall tower to expect a left base join runway 10, the QFE 1013.
Next report west of the tall tower for left base to 10, QFE 1013, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, traffic to look out for, PA28 routing also to west of the tall tower from the east.
Yeah, copy the traffic, I heard the radio call, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Oscar Juliet, traffic on a similar join, PA28 join routing towards west of the tall tower from Fleetwood.
Copy the traffic, looking, thanks, Golf Oscar Juliet. Golf Oscar Juliet, visual with the traffic.
Roger, thanks.
Golf Romeo Lima just becoming west of the tall tower, 1,000 feet.
Golf Romeo Lima, roger, you can continue and join left base runway 10.
Continue, join left base, 10, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Oscar Juliet, just past west of the tall tower.
Golf Oscar Juliet, roger, are you visual with the PA28 ahead?
Negative, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Golf Romeo Lima, report your position.
2 mile final, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, roger, and runway 10 clear to land, safe to wind 090 degrees 10 knots.
Clear to land 10, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Oscar Juliet, report final number 2 to the PA28, short final ahead.
Golf Oscar Juliet is now visual and welcome Golf Oscar Juliet.
200 feet, we can go cold, carb heat, on.
Golf Oscar Juliet is final runway 10 to land.
Golf Oscar Juliet, continue approach.
Continuing Golf Oscar Juliet.
Golf Romeo Lima, vacate left fire echo, echo Charlie and Bravo, hangar 8.
Left fire echo, echo Charlie and Bravo, hangar 8. Actually, could I go to the pumps?
Okay, firm to the pump.
To the pumps, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Oscar is in 2 miles west of Clitheroe for some general handling, maintaining 3,000 feet on 014.
Golf Romeo Victor, roger, thank you, and this is your next report complete.
Okay, Golf Romeo Victor.
Golf Oscar Juliet, can I cut across the box?
Hey, Dad.
Thanks, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Golf Sierra Tango, basic service, Cochrane active.
Basic service, copy, Golf Oscar.